Welcome back to the channel. You're watching HQ BMW. Today we're going to whip off the front bumper and get it ready to be sent off for paint. I'm going to take the kidney grills out, take the front splitter off, and just take everything off that doesn't need to be there so the paint shop doesn't have to remove it. I can do it for them and then reassemble it when we get it back. But the reason I haven't done the front bumper yet is because this past weekend we actually had a photographer come do some pictures inside the garage here. Eric on Instagram. You can find Eric on Instagram right here. I'll put his Instagram handle and I will put some pictures right now. Let me know what you guys thought of those pictures. That was pretty nice of him to come by. The weather was totally horrible. We got a nasty snowstorm this weekend. I'll put some footage right over here and show you that it was crazy. Driving home from Cochrane on the highway you couldn't see either side of the road. It was bad, super bad, but you can tell by the footage right there. Yeah, big thanks to Eric for coming out and do some pictures, but enough rambling. Let's get this bumper taken off and taken apart. That was about 20 minutes to take the front bumper off. Take your two wheels out, inner fender wells, pull them out, and then there's some bolts in the bottom here. Take those out, pull the front bumper off. Now we're going to take off the front splitter that I made. Take the rods off. We'll take the kidney grills out. We'll take this grill out, and this grill. We'll take this grill out too. So that should be everything that the painter needs off, I hope. If not, we'll work it out. But let's get this taken apart and put it in the back of the X1, and I'll bring you guys along to the paint shop. So to take your kidney grills out, all you have to do is push up on these tabs. You're going to want to do them all at the same time. Okay, so push down on the tab and push out. It's easiest to start at the bottom, push those tabs out, and then come to the top. And just like that. There, kidney grills are out. To take off this piece, it's basically the same thing. You're just going to want to lift these tabs. Once you get all the tabs pushed in, this grill comes out. Now we'll do these side ones and we should be good to go. We got the bumper stripped down. Taking this splitter off was not pleasant. I had worn most of the bolts flat from driving the car so low that I had to actually drill them out just to get the bolts out. But we got all the vents out, covers out, and now we should be able to take it off to the paint shop. So let's load this into the X1 and we'll get it over for paint. Here's a couple of better ones, but I don't know if you can see that I've shaved the top of the bowl heads right off. Luckily these ones grabbed so I could get them out, but the other ones, some of them were like so paper thin left, so I think I'm going to use different bolts next time when I put the front splitter back on.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze.
My daughter's riding here.
It's a good world. Good world going bad.
Let's hope this fits. Let's go drop off the bumper. The bumper fits. It's in the X1. We're gonna go take this up to Marty and we'll get it off to the painter and get it all fixed up and fresh and new, and then we'll be good to go with the rest of the car. So let's head up towards the gallery and I'll show you guys once we get there. Yep. Welcome to Calgary. Winter wonderland. But Marty's just pulling up. We'll get the bumper out, load it into his truck, and get this thing off for paint. Bumper's dropped off. I'm glad we got that. I got that dropped off and going to the paint shop. Not sure how long it'll be, but don't want to rush him. Let him take his time. We'll get it done properly, and when I get it back, I'll show you guys the results. So if you're interested in seeing what the final bumper looks like after it's been repainted and fixed, drop a comment, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get all the new videos when I drop them. Let's get home out of this crappy weather and into a nice warm house. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.